This is my work desk situation right now. I have products everywhere and there's hardly any space for me to work. Everything that I have been using, trying, is on this table, and I really need to clean the space. It is messy AF. I have products that I've been using almost every day, just putting it back there. I've got like a random receipt in here, so let's get started. So I think the first thing that I needed to do was get everything off of the table. Literally whatever was there, just put it like somewhere else. I would definitely figure that out later. Like all the things that were on top of the table need to be arranged as well, but I'm going to think about that later. But for now, everything needed to be out of the table because it was so dusty. I needed to like clean it. So now I'm just using a cloth to roughly clean the table. I'm also going to change the direction of the table, just turning it around, and I don't know, that just made me feel nice doing that. Wipe out the table one more time just so that the shine is kind of back, and then I went ahead and cleaned my iMac because there was so much dust. So for my table, I wanted a plant. I think a plant really puts me in a good mood. Anything green actually. And then I am also going to put back the pencil stand that I had. And then I also went ahead and put a candle. Sometimes I just like to light a candle when I'm working. And then I'm also going to place this tray of post-its. I decided to place my marquee here as well because I thought it would just look cute. And these are the two things that I have to write on. These are both from this store called Typo. And this is what my work desk should look like. Now it's so inviting for me to just come sit down and work here. And I usually use my iMac to edit my videos, so I just wanted this space to be really nice. I went ahead and put my speaker as well, and I was actually watching Kylie's tutorial. She just put up like a new video. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you soon. Bye.